Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on redeeming promo codes on Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Close the Mobile Legends app and open a web browser. Go to mobilelegends.com/en/code exchange. This is a form for redeeming your codes. Enter your promo code in the first box. In the second box, enter your Mobile Legends account ID. To find your ID, open up the app again. Tap your profile image from the top left, and your ID will be on the right of this profile page. Once you enter your user ID here, tap the Send button to receive a code to your in-game mail back in the app. Open the Mobile Legends app again and tap the Mail button from the top right of the dashboard. Find the mail with the code. Enter the verification code back at the website and then tap Redeem. If your promo code is valid, it will now get sent to your account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.